My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, a English author. I have written at least 12 books. Today we will discuss about the superstition and the blind faith which is being spreaded by these so-called Babas or Mahatmas or the saints throughout the India, along with the help of the BJP government and the RSS Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh. These all are anti-Sanatana Vedic culture. All are defaming the Sanatan Vedic culture, because according to Sanatan Vedic culture there is a well-known proverb or well-known assumption or expectation of the Sanatan Vedic religion, that is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. All the human beings are our brother, or this is known as the brotherhood. Universal brotherhood is the real sense of the human values and the humanity. But these false and the fabricated Sanatan Vedic Guru or the Sanatan Vedic Babas, these all are the cheaters, cunning, and depriving the money or the monetary power of the poor, or those people who are following these idiotic miscreants people, that is the Babas, or the so-called criminal in the disguising or the wheeling in a sant, that is the Baba, or the gurus, or the teachers, the clerics, these Sanatani Vedic clerics, which are narrating the Ram Katha, Krishna Katha, and other stories as the described in Sanatan Vedic culture. But these Babas are not following the path of the humanity or the human values. According to a Sant, he must not be greedy. He has to work in favor of the human values or the humanity. But these, the Katha teller, Katha Vachak, are the superlative degrees, having the superlative degrees of the cunningness, the greediness, that they are taking money from those people which are the black marketers, which are the criminals in the law of economy. These all economic criminals which are grabbing the money or acquired the money by unfair means are favoring such fabricated Babas, who are the robbers in the disguise of the Bhagwa Vastra or the Gerua Vastra. I am not criticizing the aspect of the Sanatan Vedic culture, because aspect of the Sanatan Vedic culture is very good and having the superlative authorities. Only one proverb or only expectation or aspect of the Sanatan Vedic culture, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, means all the universe is our family, is the correct. But after reading this, these Babas are dividing the whole Hindu society, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Sudra, which is the stupidity written in the Manu Smriti. Who is the writer of the Manu Smriti is the totally stupid and the cunning person who written such type of idiotic book having zero knowledge in context of the human values, peace and harmony among the public. Manu Smriti is dividing the whole Sanatan Vedic world in four Varnas. And it is amazing that the Brahman is born from the mouth of the Brahma. Brahma, a hypotheticated imagination power, imaginary God. Same time the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, all these are the all imaginary God. Symbolic of the birth, symbolic of the fostering mother as the Vishnu, and the symbolic of the destruction as the Shiva. These all are the symbolic values. These are not the God. Never seen any per person as Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. And the Manusmriti, which wrote this Manusmriti, he was the super duper stupid. Or he was accompanied the companions of the super duper stupids. And this blind faith is being spreading by the BJP government. BJP is the fostering mother of this blind faith and the fairy tale of the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, or the fairy tale of the Manusmriti. As we are well aware that according to the evolution or origin of the species, all the books are failed, having zero values, including the book of the Judaism, that is Torah, the book of the Christianity, that is Bible. Bible has two segments, Old Testament and the New Testament. Both are the facilitated by these so-called fake clerics. And this is why the many idiotic and the fairy tale story was written by in the Sanatan Vedic culture by woven means or the only the vested interest of the some priestly classes or the some so-called warrior classes. This is another fact that all these warrior classes or the caste had been converted by Muslim. This is the warrior caste which is converted to the Islam by the fear of the sword. That is the Rajputs, Jats, Gurjars. Every martial caste has been converted by the Muslims, and they converted due to the fear of the sword or due to the fear of his death. But after that, these priestly class or these warrior classes are propagating the false agenda only to cheating the poor Hindus or the innocent Hindus in the name of the Katha fairy tale story, the pilgrimage towards the Khatu Shyam, and many Khatu Shyam organizers in throughout the India are organizing the tour only the cheating or looting the poor people in the name of the so-called false expectation of the Sanatan Vedic culture. What will we do if you will see to the statue of the Barbaric, that is the Khatu Shyam? What will be you will find after reaching the any temple of this India? So many thousands of temples in India, but most of the temples are the epic center of the robbery or the loot of the devotees by unfair means. And the blind faith is being spread or being spreaded by such type of the organization as the RSS and the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Bajrang Dal, and so on. RSS, Bajrang Dal, Vishwa Hindu Parishad has no link with any welfare to the Hindus. Even though the RSS formed a manch that is known as Rashtriya Muslim Manch, Muslim Rashtriya Manch, This is organization, the RSS, which are providing the platform to the Islamic Gunism to form a munch or a platform known as the Muslim Rashtriya Manch. And these RSS brethren, most of them belong to the Vishwa Hindu Parishad Bajrang Dal, are organizing the tour of the temples, and they are taking handsome money from the innocent people who have the confidence or the belief in the blind faith of Hinduism or the Sanatan Vedic culture. This is not the religion. To perform the puja in temple is not the religion. To perform the katha in the name of the Lord Rama or Lord Krishna is not a religion. This is merely a business. This is a business. And this is totally a business which provide the platform to the tourism in the name of the pilgrimage. Even though the people who are the poor are paying handsome money to these babas, to these gurus, these are fraud and cunnings. Even though Rampal Maharaj have seen the Allah in the name of the Kabir, Akbaru, Kabir. So such type of the stupidity of these babas are creating nuisance and making the poor people more poorer, because the poor people are going to hear the katha of these babas, and many fake babas are flooding in this river of the blind faith of this Sanatan Vedic culture. These babas or the katha maker or the katha teller are totally pure businessmen. They have no link to any reform in the Hindu society. If these babas are so powerful, then why the most of the Hindus, even the Islamic scholars, I am talking about are the Muslims are the poor everywhere. In Hindu and the Muslim are poor in India. Even though Islam, in Islamic country, when the oil was not discovered by a Jew or Christian or a scientist, he was not a Christian or Jewish scientist, always scientist. All the Muslims were poor. This is another fact, that they were also converted from Jews and the Christians. So these fake babas, if they are the good, then why they are grabbing money from the poor people in the name of the katha and the chadhawa in the temple? Offering the money in the temple is a totally a stupidity by us, because a statue of the stone cannot do nothing do. This is your faith, but this is not the reality that any statue will help you. Because if the statue has so power, then why the many statues of the god and goddess were stolen by the smugglers, and many idols were smuggled after thefting by these smugglers, and the Baba and the God cannot do a single effort to save their idols. So idol worship is good if you are seeing that we must be as the Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, or all other holy people, holy deity. But if you imagine that this deity, the statue of this deity will save you, this shows the stupidity. So the worship of the idol is a stupidity, and the Sanatan Vedic culture does not allow any idol worship. This idol worship is being propagated by the priestly class of the Hindus only to gain the money. Rather, this is the robbery, the psychological robbery of these such type of the Babas and the priestly class of Hindus. They are engulfing the money of the poor Hindus in the name of the blind faith. They are blackmailing their faith, and so the way of the foolishness and the stupidity. So all these Kathavachak or Babas are befooling the people. We have not seen any God at all. We have seen the people and the nature. So we must worship the nature, because nature provided all the amenities or daily to daily routine welfare commodities. But the Babas are looting the money or the commodity of the poor people in the name of the Sanatan Vedic culture. This is the blind faith, and we must avoid the all Babas or the fake clerics or the Islamic preachers, Sanatan Vedic culture preachers. They are pure robbers, and they are too much cunning and grabbing your money, wealth, and your time also. The time is valuable, but in the eye of these fake Babas, the time has no value, because they are making money by devastating the time, valuable time of these poor peoples. So avoid all these Babas and Kathavachak to and go to the Vedic culture, especially read the Veds, and do not need to pay any charity to the temples, because these charity is being used by the government in the shape of the tax, or by the priestly class, or by the some landlords or the temple organizers. Sir. These are the temples are the epic center of the robbery by the priestly class and by the fraudulent Babas. Thank you very much.